Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling Wi-Fi and location. These let your phone detect hidden SSIDs. Once done, open Wi-Fi settings and tap Add Network or Advanced Scan. This begins manual entry. You enter the exact SSID name and select security type. You must match case and spacing exactly because hidden networks won't broadcast. Make sure you have the password ready. If your phone offers an option to show advanced or hidden networks, enable it now so the next steps can locate the network. Next, manually connect by entering the SSID, choosing the correct security protocol, and typing the password exactly. Small typos stop authentication. Once submitted, verify connection status and view signal strength. If connection fails, inspect IP settings, leave DHCP unless your network needs a static IP, then enter the correct address, gateway, and DNS. Also try toggling airplane mode or turning Wi-Fi off and on to force a fresh scan. To finish, save the network profile and test browsing to confirm internet access. If it doesn't connect, reboot both the phone and the router to clear temporary glitches. Once restarted, retry manual connect. Make sure the router's admin panel still has the SSID set correctly and not accidentally renamed. If problems persist, a single key troubleshooting tip. Log into the router and confirm whether the SSID is set to hidden or visible. Sometimes toggling visibility off then on resolves handshake or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.